Eldoraro Investor Roadshow. I'm the founder, Ching, and I would like to introduce you Eldoraro, which is an innovative new elder care app that is tailored for Southeast Asian seniors and their families. Going next. So, as you see, Southeast Asia over 60 population will double to 250 million by 2050. So we are witnessing a profound demographic shift in global healthcare landscape. Countries like Malaysia, Thailand, and Singapore will lead this silver wave revolution. And you can see the telemedicine market chart on Statista on your right, where it will grow to 460 billion by 2030. So we see an immense growth in this market. Hence, traditional markets are outdated, and we do see the need for tech-driven home-based care app. So going next. So zooming in into the market, uh, also from our study, looking at McKinsey and a field study, we do see global elder care will reach 5.7 trillion by 2026, growing at 9.7% compound annual growth rate over the next 5 years. So as I mentioned, traditional brick and mortar models are slowly outdated, and we do see a preference from the market for a more personalized tech care model. So for us, Eldoraro, we pioneer a culturally attuned telehealth, and we provide AI solutions that you can see the list of category from the chart. And I'll go to explain more on the next few slides. Going next. So you can see we are coming in with a wealth of experience. So me, Wan Ching, I'm the CEO and the founder where I have pioneered multiple healthcare in Southeast Asia with experience in the region. And also with me, Ignatius, in this presentation today is my tech lead and CFO. He also have been involved, been the financial expert for a few tech companies in this region, and he has a great meticulous financial planning and risk management profile. And on my list, Dr. Maya Gupta, who is the Chief Medical Officer. He's a renowned gerontologist with extensive experience. You have Li Ming, who is the head of AI and machine learning, who helps uh, to develop this product. She has immense, more than 10 years experience in this AI industry and coming out with product. Amiru, he's the head of product design who come up with a sleek interface. And more importantly, Vanessa Chen, the head of partnership, where she helped to forge collaboration with the healthcare providers within the Southeast Asia region. So going next. So on this slide, you can see that the strength of Eldoraro. So we do have our personalized culturally sensitive model that is tailored to Southeast Asia region. So more importantly, we have a cultural preference, uh, s- language support, and also content that is customized to each region, ensuring the best user experience. We do see competitors like Silver Health, Active Life, and Mediconnect, which are already available on the market, but we find they don't address the cultural nuance and language need in this region, and they are primarily focused on the Western market. So we at Eldoraro, we come in to fill in this gap through localized design and region-specific AI content. So going next. So you can see here from the list, so we aim to address this fragmented market with an integrative solution. So Eldorado, we will stand out by offering a comprehensive ecosystem from personalized care plan to instant telehealth consultation for our seniors in this region, where they can reach their doctors instantly and through virtually from within their home of comfort. And also, more importantly, we offer personalized care management, and our AI algorithm are attuned specifically for our Asian users, where we address physical, mental, and social needs. We also want to more importantly integrate this to their daily lifestyle so we can continuously track the vital signs and health metrics to enable proactive care and early detection of potential health issues for our elders. Next. So we do see some potential barriers where it comes in terms of regulatory compliance across the diverse regions, which can be complex. However, we do have proven solutions to build trust and credibility with the seniors, and we do see that we can overcome this issue in this region. So going next. So beyond the individual players, more importantly, we want to scale by partnering with senior living facilities, healthcare providers, and all the other important stakeholders within the ecosystems. And I'll explain more in details in the next few slides how our collaboration would do. So mainly, we want to elevate the overall elder care standards by collaborations, and we do see we can improve the standards further in this region. So going next. So within our target segment, our first target user will be the tech-savvy seniors in their 60s, 70s who are comfortable with technology. So we will come up with an AI plan to customize for their individual needs and also for all the telehealth activity tracking, social engagement. It will be all customized and attuned to their own preference. So our main aim is to help them to age gracefully while retaining independence. Going next. So we also our app we will provide peace of mind with real-time health dashboard. So we'll make it an easy to coordinate care and to engage with their parents remotely. So we really help the busy adult children to support their elderly parents from afar. So going next. We also want to work with senior living facilities, and so we want to personalize insights through healthcare health data analytics. So we will improve their efficiency by offering cutting edge health statistics to improve the experience for the senior care and also for the facilities. So if you can see from this slide, we do see immense growth in market potential, where it will grow immensely in Southeast Asia by 2027. So more importantly, Eldoraro, we would tailor the experience within the region through interfaces, languages, and content adapted to individual preference and region. So we'll be continuously promoting adoption across diverse demographic and tech experience. We want to provide the best for the senior care within Southeast Asia region. So next, I'll hand over to our tech lead, Ignatius, to continue the story for Eldoraro. So handing over to you, Ignatius. Thank you.
Thank you, Ching, for the great overview. So I'll be running through the future roadmaps for Eldoraro. Based on analysis and market insights for Southeast Asia, it will be around 20 billion by 2027, which is an immense opportunity to get a slice of a pie. Then beyond, we have continuous future innovations. So in year 4 and 5, we will potentially launch new markets in Singapore and Thailand. Eldorado pricing strategy will be a tiered subscription to cater for individual needs. The basic one will be first starting from $5, and then second tier will be on premium plans. So this adds a personalized care plans and tele health consultation, as well as advanced wearable integrations. Lastly, we have family bundles, which enables our family members to have like parental care to provide cost-efficient solutions, for multi-user scenarios. For distribution strategy, we have like app-based and Google Store, which will be readily available to have easy access for these tech-savvy users. Strategic partnership will be collaborating with senior living communities, healthcare providers, in order to have a wider distribution channel. This enables us to build trust among older demographics and community outreach. For promotion strategy, there will be digital marketing, as well as enables to target social media campaigns, social search engine optimization, as well as online advertising, in order to have these cultural relevance to video blog, in order to resonate with our diverse user base. So we'll be having like free trials to encourage users adoption as well as organic growth. So for public relation, we'll be featuring our articles in local medias as well as influencers in order to build brand awareness. For our financial projection, first year will be mainly pre-launch expenses, operating costs, and marketing spend. We'll be expecting about $5 ARPU and variable cost of $1. So the break even for year one will require about 60,000 paying users per month with an average of $5 subscription. So this is based on our bootstrapping phase, which has a modest ARPU and a conversion rate. For year two and year three, you'll be having more investment in cloud infrastructure upgrades, team expansion, as well as should be able to break even by year four and hire more key personnel to strengthen our infrastructure to have that growth necessity. So the projected revenue is about 8 million for year four with an average of 6.3 profit margin, and revenue will grow about 30 million by year five of another 11.5 percent margin. So the profitability enables to expand to new Asia market. The initial funding will be coming from our founder capital. So we'll be using this bootstrapping price in order to cover the expenses for the first 2-3 years. Organic growth will be through social media, partnering with existing elderly care. User acquisition is expected to have a slower growth compared to other aggressive funding scenarios. However, this will give us a healthy cash flow in long term as we expand to other markets. And with that proven concept, we can actually seek external funding. For our exit plan, we'll be looking at about year 6 to sell the company to individual governments or enterprise. So the share price of Eldoraro will be converted to the share price of the acquirer, and this should cover the initial cost of all the investment with a healthy ROI. For Eldoraro, having that organic growth, and strong value proposition, this should be attractive to the government and various healthcare and technology companies. A quite higher will be, companies will be interested in acquiring Eldoraro for their talented team expertise in AI. This should offer a quick exit for our investors, for our human resources. Third will be IPO, as well as merging with other companies and secondary stock offering. We'll be looking forward to your investment, so please raise any question as we implore you to invest in Eldoraro. Eldoraro aims to be the market leader in integrating healthcare plans as well as with that numerous functions in one seamless super app. This should be able to outreach to entire Southeast Asia because it itself is a micro region. That will be about in 2016, there's about 12.4% of the population that's 60 and above. So, by 2050, it's about 1.3 billion, which is about a quarter. And with that potential slice of like 20 billion for the next 10 to 20 years, so we hope that, you can invest in Eldoraro. Thank you.
Thank you very much.